What is going on, guys? Back with another video. The real world assets narrative is going to be huge, guys. If you just take a look at the total market cap of all of the RWA projects, it's under $14 billion in market cap, whilst memes are currently 150 billion plus in market cap, guys. So more than a 10x higher than the total real world assets sector. The main movers, which mantra has been absolutely exploding over the past couple of weeks. It's up nearly 2x. And I did make a portfolio on RWA, and I said that was one of the best players. Now it's time, and you don't have much time to be looking at the smaller cap projects. I believe Propchain is one of the best overall risk to reward RWA projects for this bull run. The ties they have, the amount of funding they have, and the vision they have is insane. It's quickly becoming one of my most bullish RWA projects, and you should definitely take a deeper look into Propchain. So what exactly is Propchain, guys? So they have three key concepts behind this project. They basically have the main Prop.com, which is basically where you can invest into real estate. They have a big sort of interest within the Middle East, within UAE. They also have Propchain Cloud and Propchain Ventures, which are in development. And both of those, specifically Propchain Cloud, has the potential to be groundbreaking for this project. I'll get into that a bit later in the video. If we have a look at, the main concept, which is prop.com, which you can basically download the app through the App Store and Google Play, you can basically invest in real estate, and some of the properties they basically offer are very attractive properties. You can see they've had good coverage through a lot of different articles and media outlets within the Middle East. And in terms of, what sort of market this is going to attract, this is going to attract the people, the high wealth people who have a lot of money to their name, who are looking to invest into very high quality properties. You can see here some of the properties they offer and some of the yield that you can get through the properties. So something which is really bullish, you don't need to hold the crypto token to invest. You can invest with fiat, but what Propchain have recently done is they have basically integrated the utility token into prop.com. So what they will be doing periodically is converting a amount of the dollar value, the USDT, into basically the Propchain token. Recently, they did. I'll quickly find it on here. They recently converted 31 around the in 31,000 into Propchain, which is really good. And this is just the start of their sort of regular sort of conversions that they will do. The first USD conversion to 31,000 Propchain, which is around about I think Propchain's around $1.50. So it's a decent amount, and if they continue to do this, this could be really big. If you have a read on here, you can see here with Prop.com's commitment to the ecosystem and its decision to convert portions of its cash holdings to the Propchain Propc token, the platform will further strengthen its role within the Propchain ecosystem. And this is really bullish, guys. It shows that they want to increase the utility within this project and increase the TVL within the project also. There's a lot of projects, guys, where the actual token has no utility, so you actually have to think, what is the point in investing? This is just one of the many utilities the Propc token offers, and going forward, they will continue to do this. You can see here the revenue, the projected revenue they have. They currently have around $10 million in real estate assets, and they're just going to continue growing. And I think this is a very low price for this project. You can see here Prop.com is fully committed to the Propchain Foundation and it will be actively converting its cash holdings into Propc after covering costs. And yeah, so very bullish, guys. A lot of people were sort of asking for this to be implemented, and they have. And maybe in the future they could potentially, use Propc to basically buy into different properties and invest into the properties also. So the other thing they offer, which is in development, guys, is the Propchain Cloud. Now, the Propchain Cloud is basically aiming to improve the efficiency of the due diligence process when you conduct a real estate deal. Currently, it's very inefficient. You have to deal with different local councils, governments, accounting firms, lawyers, construction companies, management firms, and this can cost up to $500,000 per transaction, $500,000 per transaction. And basically, what Propchain Cloud is aiming to do is a process of creating a digital twin of different buildings and verifying and connecting all of the data. And they will aim to do this by integrating AI and also deepin. So you could also question, this project isn't just going to be an RWA project. They're also going to tap into AI and deepin, which in my opinion is just more bullish for this. And they go on to say that they've had a lot of progress made with this, and they have a 9-figure development project for the first pilot. And they're partnered with some pretty big companies, so it'll be interesting to see how they develop this going into the future. And it ends here by saying the Propc token will be the underlying mechanism for this subscription model. So that's just more token utility that you can expect to see. And they also have Propchain Ventures, which is basically where they will invest into different partnerships. You can see here that they partnered with a venture capital firm called Welfare Ventures, and this will aim to grow the Propchain ecosystem and also integrate the Propc token. So it's very good to see, guys. On top of that, probably one of the most bullish points with this is the team, which have huge experience within huge firms. You've got EY, you've got KPMG, Binance, and other huge firms. Fully doxed team with a lot of experience, and they also have a very strong advisory board as well. And as I've said before, guys, the utility of the token is immense. You can use it for governance to vote on different procedures, just like the sort of the concept of integrating the utility token into prop.com. They will also have loyalty programs where you can earn different rewards by holding Propchain, and you can also stake. They will have staking incentives and also product fees for the various Propchain Cloud and Propchain Ventures can basically be used to pay through the Propchain token. So the future of this token looks very promising. As I've said, guys, it's still very heavily undervalued, and I think this can go on to do some insane gains. If we have a look at Ondo's current market cap of 1.5 billion, it would be around a 50x to Ondo's market cap. For me, I think 50x is a bullish case, but I can see this project doing a comfortable 20 to 30x and potentially hitting that 1 billion market cap level. So again, we'll have to just see what happens with this token. But for me, this is a very solid token. On top of that, guys, they also had integration with Chainlink, which is huge. So definitely keep your eyes on this, guys. And I think this is a huge token with a lot of potential. Thanks for watching as always, guys, and I'll catch you very soon for the next video.